Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a nice and easy way how to replace your toilet seat, whether it's broken or faulty or you just want to change it. Now when you watch my video, please leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Now let's go straight into the video. This is the broken toilet seat. As you can see, there's a crack here. This is a piece that was broken out. What it is, there was a crack on it before, and realizing that I need to sort this out. I was looking online because I wanted to get the same sort of toilet seat with the fixing, and I couldn't really find anything. Anyway, because this has now been broken, I had to take immediate action to get a seat at the shops and then to replace this. Sadly though, I couldn't get one with the exact same fitting, but the ones that I get, I should be able to fit it on this bowl. Of course, it is a top fixing toilet seat. So firstly, I'm just going to take off the toilet seat. There's a little clip at the back here, which I'm just going to slide, and then it comes off as simple as that. Alright, so I'll get rid of this whole seat. Now this is the fixing here, and basically I just need to unscrew. Once you have removed the screws, then you have this black rubber thing here, and this is where you force it down into this hole, and the screw is tightened using this. So what I've done, I've removed both of the old ones as well. The new toilet seat should come with its own fitting. So this is a new toilet seat. It's still sealed in the box. I got this at B&Q. So all I'm gonna do is just take this out of the box. This is the seat itself. Just having a quick glance to see how this will work. This looks perfect to me. These are the instructions, and these are the fittings. So what I'll have to do now is to try and figure out how does the fittings work, and then I'll take it from there. The fittings is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. But these two I won't use them until I'm finished completing everything. I'll put it over. I've done that one, I haven't tightened it yet, but just to show you how this works. So basically, you need to put this screw here in here. Then once you've done that, this black rubber bit will go next. Followed by this piece here, and then followed by this nut, and basically what will happen, you just put this down in the hole. This here, once it gets into the hole, it will like become horizontal, and then once you start to turn the screw, it will gradually become tightened. So I'll put it vertical to get into the hole. But let me just set back this straight. And once it gets down into the hole, like that, I can now tighten it to how I want it. So now that I've put the fixings in, they haven't been tightened. Based on the instructions, they should be about 120 millimeters between each fittings, these little poles here, which is roundabout correct. And then from the middle right here it should be about 125, which is almost the same. So what I'm gonna do is put this toilet seat on and just have a little fiddle, and if I'm happy with the with how it sits down, then what I'll do, well, if I'm happy or if I'm not happy, if I'm happy I'll just leave it as it is, and if I'm not happy I'll just fiddle as what I'm doing there now. This looks roundabout straight. I'll just close this down. Yeah, this looks okay. So I'm gonna cautiously remove the seat again, then tighten the screws, and then I'll just use these caps to cover the fittings that is already on the toilet itself. So I don't want this to shift, so I'll just cautiously remove it. Okay, that seems okay. I'm just gonna take my time. Oh, it's a little bit of movement, but hopefully, let me just try to make sure that it's fitting right back in. Yeah, that seems alright. So I'm just gonna tighten these now. I have now tightened both screws with the fittings. I'm gonna put these caps on now, put them right down firmly, and I'm gonna put the toilet seat on now. Should fit nice and firm. Yeah, and just allow this is soft close, so this should be perfect. Brilliant. This looks nice and even, as you can see, right around the toilet bowl here. So this is our next job. Well done. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe as well. Bye.